Okay, so I'm running a little late again. This box that I'm going to be unboxing from DarnGood Yarn was actually November's box. So I'm a little behind again, but let's see what we got back in November. So I had to cut it open. So let's see. We got this beautiful purple and red yarn. It's gorgeous. And a pom-pom tassel, which is kind of cute. So let's see what we're supposed to make this month, or last month as the case may be, by looking in the little handy booklet. And what we make is you can knit a bobble bracelet. I'm not sure what that is. Crochet, you can also make a bobble bracelet. Again, I'm not sure I'm going to make those because I'm not sure exactly what I would use those for. And then we have the option 2 are cowls, which is probably what I'm going to make. So knitting and crocheting options. So I'll have to find a place to hang this, and I'll make a cowl out of this and see what happens. Okay.